All right, here's where the fun begins. I'm going to hold down the space bar and then the command key and then drag to the left just to zoom out a little bit, and then let go of the command key and drag this down just so we got some room. I'm going to put it right there. And then select this. And now I'd rather work with the black cube than the white cube. Now I could delete this and pull that black cube out, or I could just replace it with the black cube. Easy. That's the cool thing about symbols. Okay, so I want to go up. I want to make 3 of these. So I'm going to click once and twice. And then I want to select this, and I'm holding down the space bar again. I'm going to bring this down. I want to make this go back over there. So kind of upper left. And then I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit. I'm not out far enough. I'm going to use the hand tool, move this over here. I want to take all of this and move it in that direction to the upper right. And now it looks like a cube, but it's actually 27 different cubes. But you can't really tell because they're all the same color. Wouldn't it be cool if we could do something like that and make one of these easily? And we don't just have to work in black and white, but isn't this more interesting than this? So let's get rid of that and drag out a black cube and drag out a white cube. Then I'm going to highlight both of them, and I want to make sure they're aligned. Aligned to selection, not the artboard, aligned to selection. And I want to align them so they're both, on the same baseline. Now we're going to need to zoom out a little bit, give ourselves some room, and click on this black cube and go up twice. Click on this white cube and go up twice. Then click on the center black cube and make that white. Click on the center white cube and make that black. And now we got black, white, black, and we can name this BWB. And then we got white, black, white, and we can name that WBW. And now we can delete one of them. Now these right here, these have the white, the WBW on the outside. Let's do the opposite so we get some variety. We'll start with this black column, and you notice it's well, the black, white, black. It's a single symbol that has 3 cubes in it. That's what you see right here. Now let's make that go up. Oh, not up, excuse me, upper left. 1, 2. So we got 3 of those. So 3 times 3 is 9 cubes, but only 3 columns. Now we're going to make those columns go upper right. And now you might be thinking, well, that's just, an ice cream sandwich, right? And that's not what we want. Well, click to select that column. Oh, no, we want to click to select the middle column. And then hold down Shift, click there, Shift, click there, and Shift, click there. Now we have these 4 columns selected, and all we need to do is replace them. These are BWB, we want WBW. And can I say boom? Because that is the opposite of that. And that just took a second to make. We're not done. There's some little complicated stuff we got to get into. You got to wrap your head around in order to start carving different shapes out of that cube by removing individual cubes.